I'm Liz. Welcome to another tutorial. I am a makeup artist for Maskcara Beauty, and I'm here to do a lip tutorial using kind of a custom lip kit I created for myself for summer. I've got 4 colors from Maskcara Beauty Makeup. I've got my contour color here that I'm going to line my lips with. I have 2 lip and cheek colors, which are great for the lips or the cheeks, and a highlight color to create a little bit of fullness. So I'm going to get started, and as I get started, I'm just going to talk real quick. I've already done my face makeup, but if you're interested in this makeup and you need a custom color match, feel free to DM me or fill out the custom color match form. Link in my bio. Also, if you're ever interested in becoming an artist for Maskcara Beauty, this is something I never dreamed I'd be doing, and I'm doing it. I did it with no experience, and I've been pretty successful at it. So if you're ever interested and think you want to do that, please DM me. I will be happy to send you any artist program information you would like. So first I'm going to use my multitasker brush, and I'm using this tapered end only, and I dipped into my contour color, and I'm just going to line my lips on the bottom first. I'm kind of staying like right under my lip, not like right on the lip line itself. You can use a lot of our contour colors to line your lips. This is the one I use the most frequently. It's called Shadow. I'm going to concentrate a little bit more right here in the center, kind of starting out wide and then going a little bit smaller, but I go a little bit down under my lip. See that? Because I want to create a shadow there and create a little bit more fullness there. Now I'm going to go onto my top lip. And I'm also going to put a little bit right here in this little area that I don't know what it's called, this little indent on the top of your lip here. Your Cupid's bow, I guess, is what this whole part's called, but I don't know if this right here is considered the center of the Cupid's bow. So I'm putting a little bit in there because it kind of makes your lip look like, it puts a shadow kind of behind there and makes it look like you have a little bit more fullness there in your top lip. So I'm kind of also patting it out because I don't want it to also look like I have dirt on the top of my lip. Okay, so once we've done that, then we're going to go in with this next color I selected for my lip kit, and this is Tropicana. It's a nice sheer peachy pinky color. It's great for summer. I use this a lot in the summer. I just love it. I mean, I use it a lot all the time, but summer especially because I want all the summer feels, and this has got the summer vibes. So I'm using the same end of my multitasker brush, and I'm just okay. Let me tap that out a little bit to mute that in the center there and there too. You don't really want to see it, but you want to like fade it out. If that makes sense, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to take my multitasker brush again, and let's kind of pull the lip out a little bit. So I'm dipping into my highlight color. This is not my brightening highlight or main highlight, but it's another highlight color we have called Linen. And I use this a lot in a lot of areas when I do makeup. So I use it on my waterline, on my eyes. I use it on my lips. Put a little bit right here, just in like a V shape. And then I'm going to tap it out, and that just adds a little bit more fullness to your lips too. Kind of gives it like a poutier look right in the center. Okay. So that just goes right over the Tropicana. Then I'm going to dip into the Sunshine State color, which is like a clear kind of, but it has like a little pink hue to it. It has a little gold in it. And I love the name Sunshine State. I love the sun, and I'm just gonna tap it over top of all this because I love a glossy finish. If you don't like a glossy finish, you might just want to end there. Okay, and see how much more fullness this gave to my lips now? You can see kind of drawing the eye in the center, giving fullness. That shadow contour makes my lips look a lot fuller on the bottom as well as the top. And that's it, we're done. Got some nice full lips, ready to hit the town. Okay, if you have any questions, you need a color match, you're interested in the colors I used today, just hit me up, send me a DM, and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.